8 Best Foods for Muscle Building and Strength. A balanced diet and a good exercise plan are both necessary for optimal muscle building results. Therefore, here are some of the best foods for muscle building and strength. 1. High-protein foods. Chicken, salmon, Greek yogurt, skim milk, beans, and eggs are all excellent sources of protein, which is essential for building muscle. 2. Omega-3 fatty acids. Tuna, salmon, snapper, and yellowtail are all great sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been found to help with muscle building. 3. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are important for replenishing glycogen stores in the muscles and liver and avoiding fatigue during training. Brown rice, beans, chickpeas, lentils, and oatmeal are all good sources of carbohydrates. 4. Healthy fats. While it's important to limit saturated fat intake, healthy fats like those found in nuts, seeds, and avocados can help with muscle building and overall health. 5. Soy. Soybeans and soy products like tofu and tempeh are great sources of protein for those on a plant-based diet. 6. Beets. Beets are high in nitrates, which can help improve blood flow and oxygen delivery to muscles during exercise. 7. Rice protein. Rice protein supplements can be just as effective as whey protein for muscle gain during a weight training program. 8. Water. Staying hydrated is important for muscle function and recovery. It is important to note that it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian before making any major changes to your diet.